Hi, I'm Jonathan Banks, Executive Automotive Analyst at NADA Used Car Guide, with your December market update. The release of pent-up demand stimulated by improved consumer confidence pushed November's new vehicle sales rate to 13.6 million units, the highest rate recorded since August 2009's Cash for Clunkers figure of 14.1 million. Overall sales grew by 14% relative to last November, with light trucks maintaining a 54% share of total sales for the month. November's strong showing pushed light vehicle sales for the year to nearly 11.5 million units and raised the consensus estimate for the full year to 12.8 million. The result will be that light vehicle sales in 2011 should beat last year by more than 10%. Light vehicle inventory moved up for the second month in a row in November, with the month-end days supply growing to 61 days, representing the first time since February that available supply has surpassed the industry standard of 60 days. The bulk of the supply gain came courtesy of the domestic OEMs, especially on the car side, with combined Chrysler, Ford, and GM supply increasing by 5 days to 79. Used prices retreated again in November. However, month-over-month reduction in fleet supply and robust demand helped to slow the rate of erosion considerably from October's pace. Based on NADA's calculations on a mileage and mix-adjusted basis, prices for vehicles up to 5 years in age slid by less than 0.5% from the prior month, which was a 2-point improvement over the transition from September to October. From an official used car guide standpoint, although we anticipated the correction and stabilization of compact and mid-size car prices in the third and fourth quarters, we believe that the downward trend would take slightly longer and be more gradual than what actually played out. As a consequence of the market's rapid descent, value adjustments for December's edition were more aggressive than November's market results would imply. And while this type of downward movement isn't commonly seen in the guide, we felt it necessary to bring car values quickly back in line with the market. Looking ahead, we're anticipating that used car and truck prices will remain relatively flat through the remainder of the month and into January. Used vehicle demand indicators remain strong, which when viewed alongside an anticipated 8% reduction in year-over-year used supply, supports the view that used prices will remain firm through the end of the quarter. Thanks for listening. For more information, please take a look at our December Guidelines report at NADA.com.